Hello, and welcome back to the Cracking FAANG YouTube channel. This is the introductory video for my systems design series. It's finally here, the start of the systems design series. I know you guys have been asking for this. I've been putting it off for a while. I'm sorry, I've been really busy, but now it's time to begin, and we're going to be making a ton of videos here. What is systems design, and why is it important? System design, in the context of a technical interview, is an exercise in designing a system that can scale and handle massive amounts of user traffic and store the sea of generated data from said system. This isn't something exclusive to FAANG interviews. Pretty much all companies will have some sort of design round. So even if you manage to interview somewhere that doesn't do lead code questions, you're most certainly going to be getting a design round, so better be prepared. And I do want to note that most, maybe not all, entry-level positions actually don't have a systems design round, as you really don't have any real-world experience yet, so you're not expected to know how to design a scalable system. Some companies may still ask you one, but for the most part, the big tech companies, Google, Facebook, Amazon, they don't ask design rounds for entry-level people. So keep that in mind if you're a university grad. All right, what are we going to cover in this series? So this isn't an exhaustive list, but we'll basically start with the format of a systems design interview. So that way you'll know exactly what you're going to be asked and what the task in front of you is. We'll then go over how to approach a systems design interview and the basic algorithm that you can apply to answer any systems design question. We'll then start covering each of the individual pieces that go into a scalable system. With systems design, there is no one right answer. So knowing all of the building blocks at your disposal is necessary in order to answer any question you may receive. So let's get this journey started. The goal of this series is to take you from zero to hero when it comes to systems design. We'll start from ground zero and build up your knowledge to the point where you're armed with the requisite information to approach an interview. I want to give you a disclaimer. The system design is an expansive topic, and there's no way to cover literally every single piece that might come up in an interview. If you want to work at a company whose systems are in the billions of users, you'll need to constantly self-study to keep up with the latest tech in the industry, as the latest and greatest is always changing. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next upload. All right, let's go.